Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Box app connected to your deal folders, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Box app connected to your deal folders, start by locating the Box app on your device. For Windows users, click on the Start menu in the bottom left corner of your screen. Type Add or Remove Programs into the search bar and select the option that appears. In the list of installed applications, scroll down to find the Box app. Once you find it, click on the app to reveal the Uninstall button. Click on the Uninstall button and follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation process. For Mac users, open Finder and navigate to the Applications folder. Locate the Box app within the Applications folder. Drag the Box app to the trash icon in your dock. To permanently remove it, right-click the trash icon and select Empty Trash. Next, if you have deal folders connected to Box, make sure to remove any folder links or integrations. Open your Box account in a web browser. Navigate to your account settings or the area where integrations are managed. Disconnect any services or apps connected to your Box account that are related to your deal folders. After ensuring everything is disconnected, check for any. For Windows, you can clean temporary files by using Disk Cleanup. For Mac users, consider using Finder to search for any files or folders related to the Box app and delete them. After following these steps, you will have successfully uninstalled the Box app and removed all associated deal folder connections. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.